I got going through some nights and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a bully in the night. Ain't you when I wake up? Girl, do you feel I'm feeling? Baby, give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby, I'll turn you on.
Good morning, y'all. We are back with another video, and in today's video we are literally just taking it slow and steady, okay? Because it's my off day, but I still want to be productive and get stuff done. Right now I'm going to the store to get some groceries to make some breakfast at home, but also I wanted to say, so I'm going to the store to get breakfast right now. And in this video I just want to let y'all know completely, like, this is not me doing nothing crazy. This is really a realistic day for a Sunday. And because I've had a conversation with myself and I've sat down and talked, and I've realized that growth doesn't always look like hustling and trying to make money and going out and traveling and literally spending all this extra money and stuff like that, or going to all these fancy places and making it look extravagant and stuff like that for content. Sometimes growth is literally just being still, being in the moment, and literally disciplining yourself to stay in the house, to do what you're supposed to do, to accomplish your goals, to pursue your dreams without seeing income and progress from it yet. And that's literally exactly what I'm doing. I am being completely realistic with y'all when I show y'all what I'm doing, when I say that I'm building better habits and stuff like that, because this is really my life right now. Like, in order for me to get to where I want to go, I gotta sit down and I gotta focus. I gotta figure out how I can get better at stuff. So of course it's not always gonna be me making money. This is an off day and I'm trying to make this an income, you feel me? So we finna go in the store right now, but also it's just a reminder to somebody that just because you're not seeing money from it doesn't mean that you're not learning from it, because knowledge is power, and whatever you can learn from, you can grow from, and you can make money off of that. But you gotta really bet on yourself. Even when you're not making money from something, even when it doesn't make sense, you gotta bet on you every single time, okay? So let's go get this breakfast, because breakfast is the most important meal of the day that we gotta make, and we gonna go from there, okay? These two smell really good. Yeah.
Why do you do
I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Just like lifestyle vlogs.
so it kind of fits in your vibe.
Yes, thank you.
There's a lot of them. I know somebody here in town.
And he told me to stay beautiful. And I said, I know that's right. He was like, what do you post for? I'm like, because you got to be realistic. There is somebody out there that resonates with you. And this is for anybody that's vlogging. There is somebody out there that is going to resonate with your video. So you might as well post it, okay? I ain't gonna lie, drop some songs that y'all been listening to down in the comments, because I've been TikToking. I ain't gonna lie, this been my song right now. Shaking ass on top cars, no I'ma fuck around. This song is so old. I don't need me a basketball player. All I need is somebody that's down for me. And I made up my mind, I'ma love this time. To me, ain't going to move around. That's doing you and her.
Yes, couldn't beat it. I hit it like a free throw.
We were so dumb in love. I heard her sing this on TikTok and I just had to go find it again. Almost see it, the dream I'm dreaming, but there's always gonna be another mountain I'm gonna remember most. I just gotta keep going. It was supposed to be breakfast potatoes, but the potatoes went bad. Yeah. It's good, y'all. If you got a balcony, just take breakfast outside. Cheers! Outside, y'all. Sweat. So the kitchen is what I'm about to clean up. I'm about to vacuum, and then I'll probably vacuum the room, but I'm not cleaning up the room because I just made the bed and I was attempting to make the room, and then he decided to get back in there and be on the game and stuff. So that's him, that's his task for today. But the bathroom is not bad, like I said, so we're gonna just clean it up just so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow or later, because I ain't gonna lie, this mimosa is catching up to me. So I am definitely just about to go ahead and clean up while I feel like it, and then we are going to get into journaling and stuff, maybe go on a walk, but I know workout is gonna be later because child, not right now. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. I've been working on my thumbnail for my video, and I've been working with ChatGPT, and we've been going back and forth, but I reached my limit for the 24-hour period, so I gotta wait 4 hours before I can talk to my homegirl and be like, do this look right? But right now we about to go get some tamales, and then the only other thing that I gotta do is plan out content for next week, and then really start editing this video that we on. So yeah. All right, we got our tamales. Woo! No. Woo! Woo! So we got we got 10. Very much so big bag energy, but it's okay. It's for later. You know what I mean? You gotta eat now and later. You gotta be strategic when you're trying to get food. So now we just need to get some hot sauce. Get some sauce, and we be on our merry way, you know. All that yawning gotta stop. I don't know why you yawning. You need to get it together, because it ain't no being tired. But I finished my agenda besides 2 things, and I'm gonna finish them when I get home. I am so what?
No, you're not.
Why not?
Because we finna watch this movie, man.
Okay, you acting like it's
all
5.
Day.
Exactly. I've been doing shit all day too.
You had all day.
Bro, you know what? I'm not gonna do this with you. I'm not. Oops.
Damn, nigga.
But no, so I'm still going to finish my stuff. I'm gonna watch the movie with you, but I'm gonna still finish my stuff, okay? Capiche? Thank you. You getting on the game later anyway. Alright, we gotta get Karen Christian so we can beat this mission.
What's that got to do with right now?
What?
I said later.
Okay. And didn't I say later too?
Nah.
I still have plenty of time in the day. He be capping.
You just be talking.
You just be chatting. Like, then you want to use the same words as me, like you loser. Y'all, this is just like an everyday thing with us. He always want to argue with me, and I just don't understand why. Are we going to Walmart, or where are we going? Oh.
Yeah, we going Walmart.
Obviously now. Oh Lord, please let him do whatever he wants to do. This little bald head, peanut head.
Don't be ill. Hey, look.
He's scaring me. I'm ready to go home. I don't trust this driving. He a little wonky today. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get this hot sauce. Hot sauce. My windows down. Y'all look on his hair guy. I remember when he had naps.